In 2025, countless apps promise easy money, but separating legitimate opportunities from scams has become more crucial than ever. Today, we're examining the ABPV app to answer one critical question. Can you actually make money with it, or is it just hype? The ABPV app, which stands for America's Best Pics and Videos, markets itself as a platform where users can earn money by engaging with visual content. But before diving in, we need to examine what the app actually offers versus what it promises. The first step in evaluating any money-making app is understanding its business model. For an app to legitimately pay users, it must have a clear revenue source. This could be advertising revenue, subscription fees, or commission from partner companies. Without a transparent business model, red flags should immediately go up. When evaluating the ABPV app or any money-making app, certain red flags should immediately raise concerns. Apps that promise unrealistic earnings, request upfront payments, or lack clear terms of service are often scams designed to exploit users rather than provide legitimate earning opportunities. Proper verification requires checking multiple independent sources. The Better Business Bureau provides ratings and complaint records for registered companies. Official App Store reviews offer insights from actual users, while company registration details confirm the business's legal status. Always look for verified payment proof rather than promotional screenshots. When evaluating the ABPV app, use this framework to determine its legitimacy. Legitimate apps have clear business models, realistic earning expectations, positive user reviews, no upfront costs, and transparent terms. Scam apps typically have vague revenue sources, make unrealistic promises, have poor or fake reviews, require upfront payments, and hide important terms in fine print. The key to avoiding scams and finding legitimate opportunities is thorough research. Don't rely on promotional materials alone. Check multiple independent sources, read real user experiences, and always remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Take the time to verify before you invest your time. If ABPV proves legitimate, there are several strategies to maximize your earnings. Understanding typical earnings, time investment, and available methods is crucial for success. Most users report earning between $5 to $20 per month with consistent daily use. The key is understanding which activities pay the most for your time invested. The most effective earning methods include completing surveys, watching video advertisements, and building a referral network. Payment thresholds typically range from $10 to $25. However, it's crucial to recognize red flags that indicate potential scams. Many fraudulent apps use similar tactics to steal personal information or money from unsuspecting users. Be extremely wary of apps promising unrealistic earnings, requesting upfront payments, or asking for sensitive financial information like bank account details or social security numbers. Always read the terms of service and privacy policy before agreeing to anything. These documents reveal how your data will be used and what rights you're giving up. Pay special attention to data collection practices, payment terms, and account termination policies. Legitimate apps will have clear, reasonable terms that protect both you and the company. To put ABPV in perspective, compare it with established money-making apps like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie, which have proven track records and millions of satisfied users. Established apps typically offer better customer support, more reliable payments, and transparent earning structures. Use them as benchmarks when evaluating newer apps like ABPV. Remember, legitimate money-making apps require time and effort for modest returns. Be skeptical of any app promising quick riches, and always prioritize protecting your personal information over potential earnings.